If you have a disability and would like to hear from inclusive employers, why not join Evenbreak's Meet the Employer webinars to get useful advice and tips from disability inclusive employers.
Past webinars include Channel 4.
The application process would be to upload your CV and answer some specific questions that relate to that job.
And Facebook.
You can say, I have XYZ condition, or I have an XYZ concern, and then they will work with you to tailor that accommodation.
You can ask employers questions about their recruitment process and hear from employees with lived experience of disability.
When they called me up to invite me to an interview, I was immediately greeted with reassurance and calming sort of vibes.
I spoke to my younger self and said to him, "You'll be doing this in the next few years." I wouldn't believe myself.
To register for one of our Evenbreak Meet the Employer events, head over to hive.evenbreak.co.uk.